Ian, the Delta 6 weight area, not blue.
Now awarding the winners of the female grade kid 6 booster division. Bronze, Samantha Bahar. Silver, Joanna Cruz. Gold, Yanni Lopez.
Concepcion Ian of Delta 6 Lake, Mr. 6 and Matthew, for winning.
Carlos Pasamba, Alaya Faustino, Elia Bernales, Thea Tuer, Casey Casas, Jetro Mercadal, Zyron Brunante, and Nick, please listen to the awarding area. Marino, Mia Lynn, Flor Meren, Madison Kimbo, please listen to the awarding area.
John Abduhan. John Abduhan, please proceed to Mat 2 weigh-in area. John Abduhan, please proceed to Mat 2 weigh-in area.
Now awarding the winners of the female white kid for the white cover division. Bronze, Thea Tuer. Silver, bronze, Aria Bernales. Silver, Casey Casas. And gold, Alaya Faustino. Carlos Pasamba, Jetro Mercadal, Zyron Brunante, Ian Nickney, Marie Dion, Mia Lynn. Please proceed to the awarding area.